Right, I've done the brake hand side of the bike. That's been degreased. That's about it. Hasn't even been polished yet. Come to the front. I'm gonna do the full front once again with degreaser, then steam clean. I might leave out the steam clean because it's a bit too cold for that, and just use my brake cleaner. Oh, by the way, got another tin of brake cleaner. I was wrong on the price. It was £8. £8 for brake cleaner for a full gallon. Anywho's, get this bit tidied up, get it all degreased, get it all nice, and we'll just go from there basically. Like I say in the previous one, I'm just putting it on. It's not hard by any means. You just got to try and get it everywhere, and this is the hard bit with the toothbrush. Little places like this, it is quite hard. Hopefully when the degreaser falls down, help of gravity obviously, that will help to degrease it. That's why I'm starting from the down upwards. Should be starting from up down. What an idiot. But, you know, life's a bitch, then you die. So what I'll do is I'll just do a little bit, and I'll experiment with me brake clean. It's just too cold in here for steam cleaning. As soon as the steam hits the cold metal, it's not steam, it's just water. In the summer it's beautiful. Take off chain grease and all sorts with it. Just in the winter it's not hot enough. Should really try and spray some of this on. Might help. But I'm not in any bloody hurry. Do it nice and slow. And try and get as much as you can. Can't get everything obviously. That would be nice. Let's have a little go at these. See if they come up. Doubt it. Very much doubt it. No, they're not going to. Worth a try. Definitely worth a try. Pointless doing the downpipes, they'll be done later. There's a lot of hours in them there down peeps. Going up to the side. So I'm basically going to leave this on, like I say, for 10 minutes. 10 minutes tops. And just give it a chance to soak in, basically. Because that is its job. Just let it soak in. and I'm going to try a bit of brake clean. See what it's like. If it doesn't work, hey ho, I'll just get the steam cleaner out. I'll have to take it real slow. I mean, it is Jesusly cold in here tonight. Even with the fire on. But I've had to turn the fire off while I'm doing this. Don't want anything to go bang bang, do I? And I'll be spraying brake clean, which is very volatile, in a vapour, which is exactly what petrol does in an engine. Sprayed as a vapour, ignites lovely, and we don't want that. Looks like most of it's done. Have to come back round there and get the top. Yeah, all over my face. Don't you just love it when that happens? You can see my breath, it's that bloody cold in here. Nice. Oh, this is one of the brackets that goes onto the radiator. Slides that way. But you've seen that already. Right, I don't want this camera getting splattered, so I is going to be moving you back. Sorry about this. There you go, try that. Now you watch me get in the way. So basically that's it. It's been sat there for 10 minutes. I've got degrease gun on low pressure. What am I running? About 40 psi, that's it. Quite easy. Like I say, it's just an experiment. Chemicals, you've got to try it. If it works, it works. If not, then out comes the steam cleaner. Slightly overfull, methinks. Yeah, it's overfull. that's that. So you can imagine having a fire on. I mean, that stuff's very flammable. You can imagine having a fire on, can't you? Kaboom! So we'll just give it a quick blow job, dry it off a bit. I'm just going to have a little play with this, because I'm certainly not happy with that. Yeah. Do you know that's the worst bit, when you can't see? Yeah, it's going to have to be wiped. So by the looks of it, it's polishing white, which is a definite ball ache. We shall see. Right, now before I go and clean and polish all this, it's obviously degreased. As you can see, it's degreased. I've just degreased it. Next thing on the list, because this is quite a dirty job, or sometimes it can be, is downpipes. Wow, where do I start? What have I used in the past? Mr. Muscle oven cleaner, that works well. You can't get it anymore. Fairy power spray. Oh, that stuff was beautiful. Especially for like really heavily caked on. Really bad. If you have a look in the previous videos, you've got the BMW where the full exhaust is taken off. I had to get the whole exhaust off because it was that bad. The first part of that was fairy power spray. Really does take it just really breaks it down. It's really nice. With these, they're not too bad. I mean, I can just polish these up here. Obviously, this is an absolute disgrace. So I'm just going to use a little bit of 400, then possibly 600, then 1000. then maybe 12, or 4,000, then 1,200. It depends how long it takes and how bad you want it. I personally wouldn't go any lower than 400 no matter what the bike, because all you're doing is you're just taking off metal. I know rust is rust, but it's metal. At the end of the day, you're just polishing up metal. So just a little bit of 400 around these tops, I do believe, and I think the rest will be 800, 1,000, probably south. I might even get the machine out on them. But nobody likes dirty downpipes. And like I said, it's just a little bit of rubbing. It's certainly not hard, any bloody idiot can do it. Just don't go too mad. All I'm doing at the moment is taking the top layer off. It's all down to layers. You've got the bad rust, which is what you can see here, and I'm just literally taking that off. You've got the heat layer. I call it the heat layer. It actually turns in brown quite quickly on some bikes as well. It's just a bit of time. So all you need to do, actually, bear with me, I've got an idea. Try that. See what that's like. Might be able to see what I'm bloody doing now. Hey, hey! So yeah, you just with exhausts, you either love them or hate them. With a clean bike with a clean exhaust, that's something special. Fuck's sake, got that many bloody wires. I mean, they don't have to be absolutely stonking. Just get 90% of it off. If you can't get it all off with the paper, well, I'll come off with a bit of 400. Oh, I don't know. You are forced to use chemicals, fairy power spray. Love that stuff. Mr. Muscle, oven cleaner. You have to be careful with that though. I mean, that goes anywhere near paint and you're crying. It's very harsh chemicals, basically. If it can get shit off the side of an oven that's burnt and crusted on, and the ovens go up to what, 400, 450 Fahrenheit, something like that, 250 centigrade. If an oven cleaner can do that, then it will get your pipes clean. But you do have to be bloody careful with it. I've only used them a couple of times on a couple of bikes, oven cleaner. Yeah, I had Nick's R1 in here. No, that was bad. Come out nicely. See if I can dig up the photos for that one. I mean, what have I been doing? 2 minutes, 3 minutes on this? and it's nearly done. This top half anyway. Yeah, I don't know whether you can see, I don't know, let's have a look. Can you see right in there? See if it'll focus. No, it's not gonna. Oh, the little git. Come on, autofocus. It's trying! It's trying! Right, just for giggles, I'm going to stick a bit of polish on this. Now, it's not metal polish. This is not metal polish. This is G3 scratch remover. It's compound, basically, for paintwork. Watch. Amazing stuff. Now don't forget, I'm just hand rubbing. So all I'm doing is hand rubbing. Now a little cloth. There you go. Don't know whether the camera's picking it up. Put it this way. You can't get a better shine than that, even with a metal polisher. It's lustrous. It's beautiful. You're not picking it up, but it's absolutely amazing. Really nice. That looks like a brand new exhaust. So I'm just going to carry on. And this is compound for paint. Nothing to do with metal. This is the stuff that they put on your paint with a machine, and it brings your paint beautiful. Stuff that valeters use. Basically takes a layer of paint off. So this is designed for paint. But by God, is it good for these downpipes. And that's all the crap off it. Absolutely love the stuff. Now I've got plenty of metal polish. Holy shit, I've got 4 different types up there. And I've even got a buffing wheel. Well, I've got 3 buffing wheels just for metal polish. So, I could quite happily do that. Why, when I get results like that? Let me just move this light, because I think this light is distorting it slightly. And it's absolutely See if I can get you in a bit. Can't exactly show you, it's quite hard. There you go. And you saw this, what, 10 minutes ago now? Looking like that. That's what it started off like. This is what it finished up like. Just 10 minutes. So it is easily done. So it is. Doesn't take a lot at all. I mean, like most things, you have to put the effort in. But it's so easy. I mean, I need to do a bit of work at the top. It's so bloody dark, isn't it? I need to put a bit in up here where it was stressed. Don't even know what that is. Now I'll do it. Might have to go back to it. Yep, going back to 400. But I'm not going to go crazy. Not putting a lot of pressure on it. Back to 1,000. Get the 400 scratches out. Good, isn't it? Tiny bit of compound. I mean, I don't know what's in the compound, but it's beautiful. There you go. The hardest bit out the whole exhaust. Done in 10 minutes.